oxygen sensor is a critical component that monitors the amount of oxygen in your exhaust system, helping your engine computer adjust the fuel-to-air ratio for optimal performance. It works by measuring the difference in oxygen levels between the exhaust gas and the outside air, sending this vital information to the engine control unit. What's surprising is that a malfunctioning oxygen sensor can actually increase your fuel consumption and decrease your engine's power output, contrary to what many drivers assume. This matters to you day to day because it affects not only your wallet but also your vehicle's overall reliability and performance. To avoid issues, it's a good idea to have your oxygen sensor checked every 50,000 to 60,000 miles. By doing so, you'll be ensuring your engine runs smoothly and efficiently, which in turn keeps you safe on the road.